Tool use isn't just human. Some birds craft tools with precision. Meet the new Caledonian crow, a bird with a brain the size of a walnut, but it solves problems like a child. In the wild, these crows bend twigs into hooks, trim leaves, and construct spears to extract insects from tree bark. In labs, they solve multi-step puzzles, use tools to get other tools, and even plan ahead. They're not alone. Woodpecker finches use cactus spines. Egyptian vultures use rocks to crack eggs. Some parrots even shape sticks with their beaks for precision. This behavior isn't taught, it's inherited, refined, and perfected. Scientists consider it a sign of complex cognition once thought exclusive to humans and primates. Tool mastery isn't about hands, it's about intelligence. And birds just rewrote the rules.